Oh, hello. With this whole work from home thing, flexibility has really taken on a whole new meaning. If you want to work on the couch, you can work on the couch. But some things aren't as flexible, like your dress code, for example. Making sure that you still look professional anytime you're talking to a customer or a colleague online is just as important as the flexibility of getting your configuration files out of your device after it's been programmed.
The SITRANS LT500 offers flexible ways to save a configuration file and share it via a mobile device. Once a configuration file has been created and saved to the micromemory card, it can be accessed via the USB port or by taking the card physically out of the LT500. For an Apple-based device and using the micromemory card, an SD card reader to Lightning adapter and an SD to micromemory card adapter are required. For a USB connection, a USB to Lightning and a USB-A to mini USB-B cable are needed. Ensure you have the proper Apple interface, as there have been several different vintages, and that you have iOS 13.1 or higher installed on your device. For an Android device and using the micromemory card, an SD card reader to USB adapter and an SD to micromemory card adapter are required. For a USB connection, a USB to micro USB-B and a USB-A to mini USB-B cable are needed. Ensure you have the proper Android interface, as there have been several different versions. If you want to simply save and transfer the configuration file, use the File app on your device. Here we have a customer at Bridge Street, so that is what we have called our file. First, browse to your email app. You may quickly and easily send the file to yourself or to a colleague by using your email app. Click on the paperclip in order to insert an attachment. Click on Attach File. Click on Files. Browse. Select the device. In this case, it is called No Name. And within the file structure, you can see the firmware configuration file. Select that file, and it is attached to your email. We can copy the files from the SITRANS LT500 directly to an iPad to store there as well. Go into the Files app on your iPad, create a new folder for the application which you are saving the configuration file from. Again, we'll call this our Bridge application. Navigate back to the LT500 storage called No Name. Copy your configuration file. And paste it into the new file you just created on your iPad. Again, this would be a quick and easy way to store files for access and ease of sharing. Android devices make this file transfer even easier with their well-known file management system.
The SITRANS LT500. Embrace the proven, welcome the new. Lunchtime.